Hello, welcome back to Oils with Lynn, where every episode we're talking about families. We want to uplift families and help them with daily natural solutions for your mind, heart, and body. We want to do it all naturally. And so today I interviewed my friend Sheri Hartman. And what's really great about Sheri is she's just transformed the way she lives her life by finding out how to do things more natural. She is a grandma. She loves to use essential oils with her grandchildren and definitely on herself. One really great thing about her is she is a personal development health coach. And she's helped so many people with their personal development. And I can't wait for her to share with you her very favorites. Hello, everyone. Today I'm with my very good friend, Sheri Hartman. And Sheri has been using essential oils for a few years now. And I just wanted to ask you, Sheri, could you share with us what is one of your favorite essential oils? Have you used it with some of your grandkids or with little ones? Have you?
Yes, I love this part, especially when I get to stay with the kids and babysit. I give them a bath and roll On Guard and lavender all over their feet right when we're getting ready to go to bed. They seem to sleep so well, which I love. I had one time when Lakin was here. She was 2, and she woke up with really watery eyes and stuffed up, and she was just sad laying. And I was like, oh honey, let's get out we use On Guard roller bottle, the oregano roller bottle, and the tea tree roller bottle, and just rolled it up and down her spine. And we decided to do it every 3 hours. And the next day, truly, she had a day where she was down, and the next morning she woke up and she was good to go. You could still see a little bit in her, but she was just good to go. So that was amazing. It was amazing to me. It was amazing to her mom. We love it.
So when you were starting to babysit, you probably had no idea that something like that might come up while mom was gone, right?
Absolutely. Well, they were here.
They were
all here. Yeah.
Okay, but you did have something right here that you were able to just grab and start using.
And I keep those 3. Those 3 are my staples for my grandchildren. And I always have them so that when I have the kids here, we can use them. So, and then of course the lavender at night, right? Lavender and On Guard at night, and oregano, tea tree, and On Guard for when they just weren't feeling great.
Awesome. Okay, so also I know that you had some kind of experience with some vitamins.
I love the vitamins. So when I started taking them, I was paying really close attention to how I felt and how they could help my life. I felt right off, I felt more energy. I felt less foggy, more aware. I definitely, they make my hair grow faster. My hair is growing faster, and obviously because I was growing it in like this, and so it speeded up my hair growth, which I love. And then I found later that they even started underneath, my hair started coming back in brown because of the vitamins. They were just knocking my system out of the park in a really good way. And one other thing I noticed was I was putting on mascara in like the 12X mirror, and all of a sudden I looked at my eyelashes and I'm like, what? My eyelashes have grown. And it's all the vitamins. It's all about the vitamins. I love them.
I'm sure energy was a big part of that, right?
Yes, absolutely. Who wouldn't like more energy? And that makes a huge difference in my day every day.
Okay, so now tell us, what is your favorite essential oil? Do you have one that you cannot go without?
Okay, I do, and I have about maybe like 18 or 20 that I can't go without.
18 or 20.
I really, really love the oils. I really, really love the quality. I love the smell. And one of the really big helps for me is to use adaptive. So first of all, I didn't feel like I have stress or anxiety in my life, but I tried out adaptive and I'm like, oh, what?
Right.
I guess I did have some anxiety. I guess I did have some stress because it was just a super nice feeling of calm. And then I started to use adaptive every night before I go to bed, just a little bit. And I sleep very well. And when I do wake up to use the restroom, I go right back to sleep instead of laying there awake for an hour. And that to me is worth everything. It's amazing.
A lot of us talk about using adaptive while we're at work or we're under high stress situations, but you've just used that for both, for stress during the day, but also it's helped you sleep really well at night.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Okay, do you have any others that you love that you could
I really, really love the cheer roller. I use it like perfume and I love it. And for the last couple months, jasmine is my new favorite perfume that I super love. And speaking of rollers, I have in tune to help focus. So when I'm working on a project, I need to get something completed. I work from home, so my focus doesn't stay great. So I started using Intune just on my wrists, and then I was like a little bit on the back of my neck, like down my spine. And I love the smell of Motivate. So who doesn't need a little motivation when you're trying to get something done? So I actually layer and put Motivate over top of the Intune. Motivate is a great fragrance, and I can really tell the difference. I actually have been able to get some things finished.
Okay, so I love that you've used Motivate with
Intune.
those two together. So you not only got the focus part of it, but let's build it up so we got some motivation energy as well.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay, perfect.
Absolutely.
Oh, thank you so much, Sheri, for sharing some of your favorite tips with us today. Appreciate you.
Yes, okay, wait, I have another. Super mint.
Ooh.
Oh, do I love the mints. I love the mints. That's super mint. I carry it with me everywhere I go. If I have any kind of tension or heaviness on my shoulders, I rub it down. It's tingly and it helps immediately decompress that any of those feelings. I've used it in auditoriums. Whenever there's a lot of people in one place, that's when I start to feel that heaviness. So I use the Super Mint and it's amazing. It's fantastic. When I'm really tired, I just put it on my hand and breathe it in, and it just feels like opening up your breathing, opening everything up, and it's a help just to get you going again.
That's awesome. Okay, so we have peppermint, but Supermint is kind of just like stepping it up there because they've added so much more menthol in there, right?
Yes.
And that menthol is the part that helps you be peppy, wakes you up, but it also relieves that tension.
Really well. And the mints all do it. The mints all do it. I just really love the smell of Super